How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So everybody talks about having trauma kits, right? And medical supplies in your emergency kits. Well, most folks will say, hey, you need a good trauma kit. And they are not wrong. But what often is overlooked is honestly the small things, right? Something like a small medication pack or something that can just get you through, right? As you can see, these are from MyMedic. And they're kind of really nice, actually. Like, they're small, sleek, extremely lightweight, and they give you just what you need. There's not that many, right? 4 ibuprofen, and then you can just read the rest, right? Why are the little things important? A lot of times, if you are in an emergency situation, not in the moment, but as if you're traversing through something, you tend to forget things like this, like, hey, just having ibuprofen on hand, or what if you drink something, right, that is not that great, not good water, right? You didn't fully purify it, and then you just have massive diarrhea, or your body is just trying to rid itself of maybe a contaminant that you ingested. It's probably a good idea to keep something like Diatome in here. Or motion sickness, right? What if you're relocated? What if you have a fire or something like that, like a large regional fire, and you are relocated via maybe a ship or an aircraft, and you're not used to that? Motion sickness, right? Allergy relief, you're going to a new location and you have allergies. You know, there's pollen in different areas, it'll flare up, that kind of stuff. There you go. Or even just common flu. Yeah, I get it, there's not a lot in here, but this is just enough to keep you going, which is fairly nice. Now let's dive into, how much does this weigh? Everybody's worried about the weight, including myself. Look, we're looking at 0.9 ounces. That's actually really good. Let's go over to the grams real quick, right? 27 grams, 26 grams actually right there for these packs. So extremely lightweight, right? Myself, I doubled up on them just because I wanted to, right? Here we go. 51 grams altogether. If you really wanted to, you could open up this and stuff more so you have all the double amount, right? 1.8 grams for all of these just in case things. My recommendation, I've always kept stuff like this, but this is a really nice, medication mod is what they call it. This is a really nice kit. It's already pre-done. You don't have to go search for all these little packets and stuff like that out through Amazon. Trust me, I've been there. It's annoying. So this is kind of a one-stop shop. I do like MyMedic. They do produce a lot of good stuff. Also, I'm going to leave their links in the description box below. Just as a heads up, I do get a small portion commission, right? Granted, I don't care if you buy 10,000 of these. I'm just trying to share with you good products. I do not often do affiliates. I only do affiliates if I seriously believe and have used their product legitimately. This is one of them. Very few. I actually only have 2, to tell you the truth. Primary Arms is one, and then MyMedic. These are the only 2 that I have some kind of ish relationship with. So I could be biased. If you really want to go that way, go somewhere else and purchase these items. It's just this type of kit is necessary in your emergency kits, in my opinion. Take it or leave it. Call me biased, whatever you want. Again, I've been carrying these things even well before I even knew about MyMedic. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, definitely like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We have some awesome patches and stickers going around if you want to help support the channel and get some pretty sweet patches, right? M81, everybody likes that kind of stuff. And the traditional one, right? Prepared Airman. We also have PayPal and Patreon available if you really want to dive in behind the scenes and talk to me specifically, one-way communication, or I guess it's two-way communication, but specifically you can talk to me if you like, questions, that kind of stuff, see what's coming up in the future, life updates, all that kind of stuff, specific articles and deals that I always post over there. But other than that, yeah, I hope you all have a great day.